there, crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using 2 free celebration products to make a simple Valentine's Day card. Let's get started. Okay, so we will start putting our card together. We're going to bring in our big shot, and we are using U from the Celebrate You THINLITS, and it comes with Amazing and Celebrate and the U. And then we're also going to be using our Sunshine Wishes dies, and we're going to use Love. Okay, so I have a piece of Melon Mambo, and this measures 2 by 3. And I have put on the adhesive sheet on the back. I cut that down. Alright, and then we will run that through. And see how it just cuts everything out perfectly. That's all that we're using the big shot for. So I'm going to go ahead and punch these out real quick. Alright, just like that, and I have one little piece right here. Alright. So my card base is Melon Mambo, and this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have the Specialty Designer Series paper painted with love, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to put this down on all 4 sides. I have been notorious for running out of adhesive this week on film. So let's see. We will put this down in the middle. Just like that. Now I have this heart, and this is from the Sweet Soiree paper stack that you can get from Celebrations for $50. If you spend, you can get a free item. It comes with the smaller ones, and then it comes with the larger ones. Okay, and then I have a piece of rich razzleberry, and this is 2 3/16 by 3 3/16. And I'm just going to place this down with some fast views. Let's make a border. And just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to bring in my paper piercing tool just to get a little bit of an edge off. Alright, so I want this right there. And then the U, this is also a Celebrations item, the 3 framelits. This is the first time that I've seen framelits on Celebration. But it is, you can earn it for free with a $100 purchase. And it doesn't have to be from the Occasions catalog. It can be from the annual catalog as well. So I'm just going to put this down right there. And then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Put one on the back in the middle. And I think 5 should be enough. Alright, and just like that. So this is a quick and simple Valentine's Day card using 2 free celebration items. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to earn these products, you can visit my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!